Today we're going to air up this flat tire with this portable Dyna plug inflator. And there's two really nice things about this inflator kit. Number one is the size of it right now. I've already assembled this to cut down on the video time, but the whole thing fits in this nice little package here. The other nice thing is that you don't have to use a cigarette lighter plug like with a car inflator. You can just plug directly into your tinder plug here, assuming you have one that emanates off the side. Comes with a little light, and this is if you have a separate air gauge to tell you what the pressure is, and this is the hose itself that's going to go onto the tire, and this is the on button. So let's go ahead and air this up like so, and we'll turn on. So I'm disappointed to report that after 5 straight minutes of this with the engine running, this tire did not increase at all. There's no air in that tire. So it was running, it was operating, but it didn't actually put air in the tire, so I can't recommend it. So it is theoretically working because you can feel this, there's a little bit of air coming out. It's just so slow.